Want to crack NEET MDS? Here are top 10 gingivitis MCQs with options plus clear explanation. Question 1. Earliest sign of gingivitis: A. Pocket formation, B. Bone loss, C. Attachment loss, or D. Bleeding on probing. Answer is D. The first change in vascular inflammation which leads to bleeding before any structural damage like pocketing or bone loss. Question 2. Dominant cells in early gingivitis: A. Plasma cells, B. Neutrophils, C. Macrophages, or D. Fibroblasts. Answer is B. Early lesion represents acute inflammation, so neutrophils are the predominant cells. Question 3. Initial plaque bacteria: A. Streptococcus, B. P. gingivalis, C. T. denticola, or D. P. forsythia. Answer is A. Early plaque is dominated by gram-positive cocci, especially Streptococcus species. Question 4. Change in junctional epithelium: A. Keratinization, B. Increased permeability, C. Decreased turnover, or D. Thickening. Answer is B. Junctional epithelium becomes more permeable, allowing bacterial toxins to penetrate and initiate inflammation. Question 5. Gingivitis seen in puberty: A. Chronic gingivitis, B. Hormonal gingivitis, C. Anal, or D. Drug induced. Answer is B. Hormonal changes during puberty exaggerate the inflammatory response to plaque. Question 6. Dominant cells in established lesion: A. Neutrophils, B. Macrophages, C. Plasma cells, or D. Fibroblasts. Answer is C. Established gingivitis is a chronic condition where plasma cells predominate. Question 7. Index for gingival inflammation: A. CPITN, B. Loyal-Silnes gingival index, C. Russell index, or D. OHI. Answer is B. The index evaluates gingival inflammation based on color, edema, and bleeding. Question 8. Reversible stage of periodontal disease: A. Gingivitis, B. Chronic periodontitis, C. Aggressive periodontitis, or D. Necrotizing periodontitis. Answer is A. Gingivitis does not involve attachment loss, so it's completely reversible. Question 9. Drug causing gingival enlargement: A. Aspirin, B. Phenytoin, C. Paracetamol, or D. Ibuprofen. Answer is B. Common drugs causing enlargement includes phenytoin, cyclosporin, and nifedipine. Question 10. Cause of bleeding in gingivitis: A. Keratinization, B. Ulceration of sulcular epithelium, C. Bone loss, or D. Cementum exposure. Answer is B. Want more high-yield MCQs like this for NEET MDS 2027? Follow Dentovision. Comment Perio for the next rapid revision.